My dear child, listen very carefully to what I am about to tell you. I have a promise for you, a promise carried with my love, my protection, my guidance, and my eternal presence. This is not an ordinary promise, but a promise that is woven deeply into your life and future. Wherever you go and whatever you face, I will be with you. I will not leave you, not in your darkest nights and not in your most silent moments. When you feel lost or overwhelmed, remember that I am right beside you, holding your hand and guiding your steps through every storm. I promise you my love, a love that never fades, never changes, never gives up. My love has no limits, no boundaries, no conditions. No mistake you make can separate you from my heart. My love will always lift you, comfort you, and strengthen you when you fall. I promise to protect you. In a world where danger hides in unexpected places, I am your shield, your defender, and your refuge. When fear rises inside you, remember that I stand before you, guarding you, covering you, and keeping you safe from what you cannot see. I promise to guide you. When life feels confusing and your path seems unclear, I will shine my light before you. I will lead you toward peace, toward truth, and toward the life I have prepared for you. You will never walk alone as long as you follow my voice. I promise to forgive you. No matter how many times you stumble or fall, my mercy will always be waiting for you. When you return to me with a sincere heart, I will wash away your mistakes and make you new again. My forgiveness is endless, and it is always available to you. And I promise you this, I will never give up on you. Even when you drift away or turn your back on me, I will still wait for you with open arms. My love reaches farther than your failures, and my grace is greater than your past. These are my promises for you, spoken from my heart, born out of my desire to see you healed, whole, strong, and full of life. Hold on to my promises, trust them, and know that I am with you now